Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm so welcome. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make a juicy, smothering, melt in your mouth grilled salmon burger. If you'd like to see how I did it, keep watching. Alright, so we're going to begin by cleaning our salmon. I had let this soak in some water, vinegar, some lemon juice, and some kosher salt. And then I took it out, air dried it. You can pat it dry with a paper towel before seasoning it. Alright, so I transferred my salmon to another pan and now I am ready to season. You can use whatever seasoning you like for your preference. You can use a little bit of seasoning salt, garlic powder, onion powder, some paprika, and a little bit of Old Bay because this is salmon. I used a little bit of the Himalayan salt as well. Himalayan salt isn't as salty as iodized salt. It's going to give it that crust that I need once I place this on the grill. You're going to rub in a little bit of olive oil. We want to massage that in to make sure that the seasoning does adhere to the salmon. So I'm going to flip that over and I'm going to do the same exact thing on the opposite side. I'm going to season it well on both sides and also add the olive oil and let it rest. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to turn on your post notifications for every time I post a new recipe. So I decided to make some homemade home fries to actually go with my salmon burger. I'm just going to show a little glimpse of this, although I won't show the whole process of actually making my home fries. If you'd like to see a video of me making traditional home fries from scratch, let me know in the comment section down below. So these are some of the ingredients that I use for my actual home fries. Some may be wondering, why am I boiling it first? They're considered home fry nuggets. These are a different way of making home fries to make it actually softer in the inside. It's a little trick that I do. I boiled my potatoes, added some Himalayan salt, a little bit of butter, and let that come to a complete boil. And then I moved back on to completing my salmon burgers. Alright, so you're going to need some type of pan, some type of mixing bowl to actually break up your salmon and then transfer it over to a pan so that way your burgers can rest for a little bit before actually grilling your burgers or frying it, however. So I wanted to keep these in big chunks. I didn't want my salmon to be too mushy, so I still wanted to enjoy the flavor of actually having real salmon within the burger. So this is why I broke it up by hand. Although I already seasoned my burger, I still wanted some more flavors to be within my burger. I wanted to add some fresh garlic. So I took my garlic presser and I pressed about 1 or 2 cloves of garlic. You can add that to your burgers as well. That gives it a nice kick. In addition to that, I went along and added some dill to my salmon as well. That's optional. You don't have to. It gives a little bit of a nice little freshness to your actual burger. So the meat of the salmon actually smells amazing and it smells fresh, and you just know that the inside of that burger, once it's fully cooked, it's going to be greatness. Nothing but greatness coming out of this. Mark my words. Listen, I would not be me if I did not throw in a pinch of my special seasoning. I will reveal it soon, just not yet. It ain't soul food if it ain't soul food.
There's no food like soul food.
You right about that. Ain't no food like soul food. Excuse me. Give me a plate.
What?
Give me your plate.
All right, so now I'm going to form my patties. I didn't pay attention to how many pounds that I did get of the salmon, but I was able to make about 9 patties. If you want them larger, be my guest. I wanted the illusion that I was eating more burgers. So this is what the patty should look like. We're gonna let this rest for about 20 minutes before we actually place this on the grill. We don't want the patties to break apart. Alright, so now that my patties are well rested, I placed these on a hot grill. The temperature was about 500 degrees and they cooked for about 9 to 10 minutes. And I flipped them in between, like halfway, about 5 minutes each. I didn't want to dry out the salmon. I wanted to give it that grill mark on my burger. It's something about those grill marks on that patty that gives it that look of perfection. It's like having stretch marks on the back of a thigh. You just know that patty is about to hit. Yes. So as my burgers are cooking, I wanted to toast my buns. Took a little bit of avocado oil, toasted that bun side down. You can't just have a grilled burger without toasted buns. I mean, who doesn't like their buns toasted? So look at this. Look. You see it? You see it. Of course, if you want to add more mayo, be my guest. I didn't want too much because guess what? I made me a special sauce. You see that sauce? You could use barbecue sauce, but this sauce right here, my sauce, is so saucy. It's so saucy, baby. Let me tell you. It was perfectly topped on top of this burger, and it just paired well with the arugula that I placed and some tomatoes. If you want to add some onions or some shallots, be my guest. So this is the finishing product of my salmon burger. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this tutorial, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you are subscribed and a part of Soul's Creation. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next video. And now you're going to listen to me enjoy my burger. Thank you for watching. Bye. Ooh, I dropped a piece. I'm gonna eat that too.